Good morning. I'm out in the garden and I just wanted to share that my mustard greens are doing so good. I planted these literally 2 weeks ago and I just wanted to show you the leaves and the new growth. I'm so excited. This is my first time growing mustard greens. I did grow two kinds. These are the regular mustard greens, and down below these are the red leaf mustard greens, and they're doing pretty good. And then down below is my Asian greens. So I just wanted to give you an update, and in between I have some baby bok choy growing right here. So yes, I put seeds all in the ground in this area, and I'm just so excited just to see everything growing. So if you haven't already, get out and plant some seeds. And there's nothing like watching your seeds sprout and grow, and then to be able to harvest them and prepare a meal with them. So thanks for watching.